Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. This is gonna be another unboxing video. It's a Rode Video Micro. It's a good product, very cheap, and I think you're gonna love it. The idea is that by purchasing this, I hope my video quality would be higher, and on the later video that you would see they are actually sounds better. So if you want to know how the quality improvement, you shall check the next video that is going to be uploaded soon. This is the view from the side, and 2 years warranty, and you can see there from the other side as well, and from the back with some details. And yeah, the dead cat wiper is very handy. Let's see what's inside. This is my first time opening it. I hope does look great. Let's open it. Put the box away. We have here the dead cat and the microphone inside, and mounting absorption, cool, and some silica gel for storage during shipment, nice, and two 3.5mm jack. And note that this is only for the camera. If you wanna have something for your phone, you have to order other I think it's called S7 or so. This is recorded with Rode Video Micro to see the sound quality, and I would recorded another clip that recorded with built-in DS5500 Nikon built-in microphone. So hopefully you can see the difference quality between built-in microphone and external microphone. In this case is Rode Video Micro. This is the audio quality built-in microphone from the DS5500 Nikon, and I hope you can see the difference in there. And I'm excited with this external microphone, so hopefully my video would have a good quality sound compared with just using the internal built-in microphone. Don't forget to like or subscribe to the video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.